Hello students, we are living in India, the safest place in the world. Because of now ongoing pandemic, our country where there are less people who are affected by COVID-19. So this year we are going to start a history lesson on the Indian subcontinent and history. But before starting this, you should know that the meaning of subcontinent. As you know, we have already studied the 7 continents: North America, South America, Europe, Africa, Asia, Australia, and a country comes in Asia continent. So India is subcontinent of Asia. Now we will move to a lesson, the Indian subcontinent and history. The lesson is divided into 3 parts. First, the geographical conditions and the course of history. Second, geographical features of India. And third, the Indian subcontinent. Now we will look after the first part, geographical conditions and the course of history. In 5th standard, we have learned in olden days there is a close relationship between man and his environment. The changes in the lifestyle of the early man and his technology were related to the changes in his surrounding. The history of human civilization from the Stone Age to the agricultural civilization that flourished on the banks of rivers. Now we shall look after history. What is history? History is a coherent account of the significant past events in the progress of human culture. Coherent, meaning of coherent is consistent. So history is a coherent account of the significant past events in the progress of human culture. There are 4 major pillars of history: place, time, individuals, and society. We cannot write history without these 4 pillars. In that, place is related to geography or geographical conditions. Geography means the study of the earth's physical features like places, maps. So history and geography are inseparable. History is influenced by geographical conditions in many ways. A diet, clothing, housing, occupation, in fact, all human life in any region depends to a large extent on its geographical characteristics. For example, the life of the people in hilly region is more strenuous than that of the people on the plains. Strenuous means using great efforts. Now, there is difference between hilly region and the plain region. Fertile land is not much available in the hilly regions, while in the plains it is available on a large scale. Grain and vegetables are scarce in hilly region, while people on the plains get sufficient amount. Hilly region depend more on hunting and gathering for their food, while in plain region people depend on agriculture or farming. Lifestyle of the people of the hilly region and those of the plains. The climate, rainfall, agricultural produce, flora, fauna of the region where we live are the features of a livelihood. The lifestyle and culture of a region develops with their support. Human settlements have flourished wherever the means of living are plentiful. Plentiful means in large amount. Wherever the means of living are plentiful. Over a period of time, these settlements develop further into villages and towns. But sometimes reasons like the degradation of the environment. Degradation means loss of environment. Drought. Drought means a long period without rain. Invasion. Invasion means the movement of an army into a region. Exit lead to the scarcity of those means. People are forced to leave their settlements. Villages and towns become deserted. We see many such instances in history. Instances means example. So we see many such examples in history. Thus, we see that there is a very close relationship between history and geography. Let us continue further part in next video. Thank you.